Hi guys, welcome. This is the new ISO builder that I've now created or installed, or whatever you want to call it, and it's based on the ISO of 211105. It has 2 terabytes for all the virtual machines and the ISOs and all that. But I just wanted to move a file from a video from one PC to the other PC. Samba is not running. This is a new thing, right? So maybe not a bad idea to have another video in November 2021 how to set up Samba on your system in ArcoLinux, Well, we have, of course, you know I would say that we have scripts. All right, bin main Samba, install Samba, install network discovery, or these are the shares. This may be less important, but do have a look what's in there. It's going to install Samba. It's going to get the Samba configuration, so a file, samba.conf, the original one from the company, from Samba itself. We're going to get one from ArcoLinux, our way of doing things, and we're going to get another one, which is again our way, but then changed to a name. You see, our way, but the only one that's been read is this guy. That's the only one that's going to be used. But we have some alternatives. We want to enable things, start things, have to tell my password, and then we have this one, enable discovery of people around, so other computers. And Samba, maybe you'd like to have that as well. Nemo, so the guys at Cinnamon have Nemo, Nautilus, GNOME, Caja, Mate, Dolphin is Plasma, and Tunar is lots and lots of desktops, not only XFC, because we use it in awesome BSP WM, Left WM, you name it, right? So many of our tiling window managers have Tunar, so Tunar shares plugin. Not something I use, but you can use it maybe. So I'm gonna run these things. Install me please, because I want to share a video from one PC to the other and then put it online. This is my login, my password, nothing to do, great. Install network, everything was already okay. Here I end, right? Now I need to reboot, but basically everything is set. There's only one thing I need to check, and that's the file system, etc. Samba. We have now many things, right? For the guys who have Windows, it's there. So if you want to talk to Windows machines, but in here in the samba.conf, I'm gonna change, well, first plain text, go to Perl, and then we see some colors. Okay, so we're in the work group, Samba server, standalone server, all the way down. The only thing I do, and that's of course a personal thing, workflow thing, I have a folder, if I create one, called shared. Create folder, shared. And everybody on the net can access this folder and only that folder if they have the password, right? If they're a user and have the password. So shared is created. Now it's used. Path is home Eric shared. So change your word here, your login. It says up here, change Eric into your username. I'm gonna delete this slowly, like this. Ctrl S, save it, reboot. Samba will be working. You can navigate from other computers to your computer, see the shared folder, and access it and put stuff in there. It's public, it's writable, right? All right, enjoy.